Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel for another look at the 2017 Recollections Planners from Michaels. You might have previously seen I did the goal-specific planner walkthrough, and I will have a link to that right up there in the corner. And this one is another specific planner. It is not just your everyday 52-week planner. This is, as you can see, a fitness planner. So as soon as I saw that this existed, I knew it was right up my alley and I had to get my hands on it, and I wanted to share it with you because I think it's really cool and is a great tool to help you achieve your fitness goals for the year. The price is $29.99, so 30 bucks, but as always with Michaels, there's typically a coupon where you can get like 40% off, which means you'd get about $12 off of that. So it's a really affordable option for a really high quality, in my opinion, fitness planner. So let's go ahead and waste no time and jump right in. The first thing you'll see is this gorgeous gold foil laminated cover. It is removable, much like the Erin Condren Life Planners. I have not tried to put a Erin Condren cover on it, but hang on, let's take a look here. Let's see. It looks like they are like one, can you see that? Like one ring off. So like if here's the bottom, there's just one extra. So like it would work. You could put an Erin Condren cover on here, you would just have one hole that's not covered. So that's not so bad. You could use an Erin Condren cover, but alas, these are in fact Recollections removable covers, and the covers that they have on the other planners are gorgeous as well. I wish they sold them as just a collection of covers instead of having to buy the whole planner. But anyway, it says, make the rest of your life the best of your life. Oh, I love that. All right, let's take a look inside. We have Live Well, this wellness planner belongs to. Keep in mind that these tabs, there are tabs, but they are not dated and labeled. That is important. So here's what we've got going on. We have a year at a glance page, making sure that's in frame. Year at a glance, and it starts in January, but because it is non-dated, you can do whatever order you want. I got these yesterday, which is November 1st. I don't know when this video is going up, but I bought these on November 1st, and I plan on starting to use them in November, so my year will run November through October. So you can use these however you want. If you want to wait till 2017, or if you want to get started today, you can do that, which is awesome. So you have your year at a glance, and it has some goals, or you can write down your goals or events and whatnot, and then it has goals for the year, which is awesome. Don't mind the clock going off in the background. So you have a goal, you have your plan of action, and then you can have a reward, which I think is so important. I think it's really important that you reward yourself for a job well done, because you earned it. So this already is running right alongside with how I would run my goals. And then we get right into the months here. And this is what everything looks like. So you have 30-day challenges, and I know those are hot right now. On Instagram, on any fitness platform, whatever, 30-day challenges are a big deal right now. And this has an entire page for 30-day challenges. You can create your own. You can do a Beachbody workout, a 30-day challenge of whatever you want. So you write down the goal, the plan of action, and your reward, just like normal. It can be in conjunction with your other goals, or it can be something separate. Like your goal is to drink 100 ounces of water every day. Super simple, but a goal that will really help you nonetheless, and in the long run, it will help you achieve your fitness goals. So you have your goal, your plan of action, notes, reward, and then every day you can check off one of your 30 days, which is awesome. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different 30-day goals that you can track for the month. And then you have your regular old monthly spread. This is undated, so you just fill it in whatever month you are planning on starting. And then here's your week, and this is why I don't think this could be a planner. The goal planning one, if you really wanted to use it as your real planner, you could. I personally will not. I will be using it in conjunction with my regular planner. But this is very specific to your fitness and wellness goals. This has meals. I don't know if you can see that, can you? Meals, and then it has your water that you can check off built right in, and then it says health. So I don't know what you want to put here, if you want to put your workout, if you want to put something about your health, how you're feeling, whatever, and then you have little check boxes for the hours of sleep that you got. You have your little sidebar for notes here, which conveniently, all of these little dots that looks like it's built-in washi tape could also be used as a checklist if you wanted to write little to-dos. I don't know how you would do that in conjunction with your fitness goals as opposed to just a regular to-do list, but the option's there nonetheless. Then you have weekly goals in a little gray box. And then down over here, it goes Monday through Sunday. And then you have a habit tracker with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different habits that you can track Monday through Friday, which is pretty awesome. And that is the bulk of this entire thing. So then you get to the end of your week, or your month. You get to the end of your month and you end up with your goal review, your month in review. So you take those goals that you were looking at before at the very beginning, 30-day challenges and whatnot, and you write it down and you actually reflect on how well you did and you give yourself a score, which I think is awesome because reflection's so important. You need to reflect on what worked, what didn't, how can you improve, etc., etc. So that's what's going on with the months. All the months are the same. As you can see, there's this gorgeous gold coil, which it's really sturdy quality, actually. I'm really enjoying this gold coil. It is not cheap at all. And then every month has a different pretty little design to inspire. Oh, I guess not all of them have inspirational quotes. Some of them do, though, right? And then this is just how the whole book is lined up. It's all the same. So we flip through all of our pretty tabs and get to the end here. Fast forward. Oh, sneaky peek at what's coming, guys. Okay. Notes and thoughts on your reflection, and then we have stickers. What planner is complete without stickers? And these stickers are they're not just, oh, look, pretty planner stickers. They're very functional, and I love that. So you have workout, and you fill in your workout. Goal satisfaction stickers. This is a bomb idea, guys. Sticker shops, get on this. I love that. You got your months, you have appointment trackers, and then the next page you've got some to-dos, some flags, sweat, smile, repeat, today's the day, like motivational stuff, but specific to fitness. So we've got the body achieves what the mind believes, believe in yourself every day. We've got some to-do lists. We've got some to-do full boxes, stats, never give up, stop wishing, start doing, yes, and seize the day. I love that. And then there's more functional beauties. Oh my gosh. And some of them, yes, okay, some of them are just for prettiness, right? Work, 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 enjoy more, no excuses. Vacation, vacation flags, goal, you can write yourself a big old goal. Big day, don't forget, you got this. So it's a really good balance of motivation and function, and I love that. Then here, my friends, here are your tab stickers. So you can go through and put your tabs on. Here, let me show you. This is the goal planner. And I failed miserably at actually lining this one up. But here's like the goal setting one. You go and you put your tabs on so you can do things in order of whatever you want, which is great. I love that. So there are your tabs. You got some goofy emojis where you can track your mood. That would be a good thing to put in the health section, I guess. We got walking, cardio, a whistle, weights, and meal. And then you have this nice little keep it together folder. I don't know what else to call it. The Keep It Together folder is the Erin Condren name for it, but that's, I do so much with Erin Condren stuff that that's what I think of. Sweat today, smile tomorrow, love it. Same thing on the back. Then you get a little zipper pouch and your back cover, and that is the entire thing. It is really great. I just love the way that they did this. I don't know. Michaels is getting it together. They're making it really easy for people to get really cute and functional planners for a fraction of the cost of the big name ones, which I just think is incredible. And I love this guy, the fitness one, and I love, love, love the goals one. So, yeah. that's what's going on here. Check the link up below, or I will have the link down below as well for these products on Michaels.com. Last time I checked, which was just yesterday, they were all there. So as long as they're still there and not sold out, I will link this down below, and I will link my video to the goal planner for the complete walkthrough as well in the info bar down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked the little inside look into this Recollections planner. Like I said, 30 bucks. You can usually get it for 40% off, which is amazingly affordable. So go out there, make your plans, and get your wellness goals this year, my friends. All right? I will talk to you later. Take care. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.